It's Love Your Skin Month here at Vita this month, and today I want to talk to you about knowing your skin and really having a look at your skin and how you feel about it, and what we can do here with our face mapping and our skin consultations to help you get to know your skin a bit better. So I've gone ahead and taken all my makeup off, and when you get a minute, take your makeup off, stand in front of the mirror and have a look at your skin and see how you feel about it. I think it's really common for us to just think about the things we hate about our skin. So first of all, have a look in the mirror and think about 3 things that you really like about your skin. And when you come in for a skin consultation, we will really highlight to you the things that are really good about your skin as well. So we're not just going to tell you all the things that you really need to work on, but you can tell us your skin concerns. So having a look at my skin, the things I like about my skin are that I feel like I have a fairly even skin tone. I don't have a massive problem with pigmentation because I'm crazy in the sun and wear a sun hat and protect myself with Factor 50. So I quite like the tone of my skin. I don't have any enlarged pores. And the interesting thing to know is that how you feel about your skin now might be completely different to how you feel about your skin in a different season, and how you felt about your skin maybe a year ago, because your skin changes so much throughout the seasons. So I used to, 18 months or so ago, my main concern was definitely aging. Big line on my forehead, definitely was starting to see it around the eyes, and with some products I've started using and with Dermapen microneedling, I've really managed to turn back my aging a bit, so that's no longer really my main concern. Obviously I can't completely get rid of my wrinkle, but I've massively improved that, so I'm definitely liking that about my skin at the moment. So I'm going to tell you the things that I'm not so keen on my skin, and then lovely Hannah here is going to face map my skin and tell me what she sees on my skin. Now, I haven't been face mapped for a while, and you might have been face mapped a couple of years ago, but actually it's really good to come back in and have another face map, because things can change with the seasons, as I say, and sometimes if you're just using the same products on your skin, it's really good to change it up. So a skin therapist can help you with just a couple of things that you can change out, or something that you can change about the way you're doing your routine. So the things that I don't like about my skin at the moment, I definitely have a new thread vein, which I've never really suffered from before. So a couple, but this one particularly is something I really notice when I look at my skin. And also I feel like my chin area has become very congested. Now I touch my skin a lot, I don't know if any of you guys do the same, but I find myself sitting at my desk with my hands on my face. Now I've just touched my computer, I've touched my phone, and I don't know if partly it's just that, but this area definitely tends to feel not as nice and smooth as the rest of my skin, and also suffer with some dehydration. I've just been on holiday, so my skin definitely feels a bit more dehydrated than normal. So Hannah is going to show you what we would do in our skin consultation, and we're interested to know what she sees on my skin.
So I'm just going to pop this headset on. It's got a light and it's also got like a magnifier there, so we can really look nice and close at your skin. Okay, so you usually start at the forehead, sweeping the hair out of the way. And what I'm looking for is skin tone. Are there dehydration lines? Nikki's got great even skin tone, really nice and plump on the cheeks. I can notice some dehydration lines on the forehead, which Nikki's already said that she's been on holiday, been in the sun, so and obviously travelling and things can do that with the skin. If we look down on the cheeks, again, really nice skin tone. I have noticed a few thread veins on the cheeks and some pinkness. So using something like the Ultra Calming Cleanser and the boosters will be great for helping to desensitize the skin, but also to take down the redness here. And then moving on to the chin. I don't think that's that too bad on your chin. I know you're saying about congestion. I can feel some sort of slightly rougher patches.
Yeah, it often comes on that side, weirdly.
Yeah, it could be where you're leaning more on that. Maybe you touch your skin slightly more on that side. I would probably just really concentrate on this area with one of your exfoliators. What exfoliator are you using?
So I'm using the Rapid Reveal Peel, which I do once a week. So I wonder if I need to add in a daily exfoliant maybe.
Yeah, so I would say probably the Superfoliant as well, just to help slough off any excess dead skin cells.
And focus that more on the chin.
Yeah, because you probably don't need too much on your cheeks, especially where you're getting these thread veins around the nose and on your cheeks here. Again, slight pinkness there, but really great skin tone, really nice and even, not too dehydrated down here. So yeah, lovely.
And what about for the dehydration? Would you suggest maybe a slightly different moisturiser for the evening? Because I'm kind of fluctuating between either Prisma Protect, which has SPFs, which I love, and the Age Smart moisturiser, which also has an SPF.
So I wouldn't recommend using something with an SPF in it at night. You just don't need an SPF obviously in the evening, and it can obviously just sit on your skin. Something like the Age Smart evening one,
Super Rich Repair.
Yeah. That's a fantastic one to really nourish the skin while we sleep. Our cells are more receptive at night anyway, so it's great to have a nice nourishing moisturiser. But also you can mix in the skin hydrating booster. Either apply that to your skin separately or mix it in with your moisturiser and put it on, and that will focus on the dehydration.
So that's great. I mean, I've been using Dermalogica for years. I change about my products. My hero products are definitely Biolumin-c at the moment and the Rapid Reveal Peel. But the Rapid Reveal Peel, like we just said, you only use once a week. So Hannah's suggestion of a daily exfoliation, that will hopefully really help this, because that's something that's been bothering me. So I can add that easily in, a daily exfoliation as well as my Rapid Reveal Peel once a week. And I've been desperate to do something slightly different with my moisturiser. I just think every now and then your skin feels like it needs a change. So I think Super Rich Repair maybe at night, and maybe adding in a booster. So, you know, you don't need to change your whole entire routine. There might be products that you absolutely love. They don't even need to be from the same range. You know, you might have a cleanser from someone else that you really like, and we can just give you a couple of tips of things that you can add in just to help those concerns. So hopefully follow us for the rest of the month, and we'll be giving you some more skin tips.